Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to check the security password of a connected Wi-Fi. Now this is my desktop. This is the Wi-Fi I've been connected to, aka Wears. So in case you want to connect to another device and you don't have the password for this particular network, this is how you check it out. So yeah, this is how you go about it. First of all, you click on this Wi-Fi icon here. Click on network settings. Once this comes up, you click on network and sharing center. Then once this comes up, you click on the network you've been connected to, which in my case is aka Wears. Clicking on it, this menu will pop up. Then you click on wireless property and then click on the second and you check this show character box. And yeah, this is my password as you can see. Let me take you through another method of checking this. Now we have gone back to our desktop. Right click on the Wi-Fi icon and you click on network and sharing center. Click on this aka Wears, which is the network you've been connected to. Then wireless property, security, and open the checkbox. With just how many steps, just few steps, you've been able to check your password, the password of the internet you are connected to. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, turn on the notification, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.